Ladies and gentlemen, today I want to talk to you about a crucial step in the process of buying a used car, the pre-purchase inspection. When considering the purchase of a pre-owned vehicle, it is essential to ensure that you are making a wise investment, one that guarantees both safety and reliability. A thorough pre-purchase inspection can provide you with invaluable information about the vehicle's condition and help you make an informed decision. First and foremost, let's acknowledge the importance of safety. A pre-purchase inspection allows qualified mechanics to assess the car structural integrity, including the frame, suspension, and brakes. They can identify any hidden damage or signs of previous accident that might compromise the safety of the vehicle. By conducting this inspection, you are safeguarding yourself and your passengers from potential risk. Furthermore, a comprehensive inspection examines the car mechanical component, such as the engine, transmission, and electrical system. These vital elements determine the car performance and reliability. A skilled technician can identify any underlying issue or sign of wear and tear that may affect the vehicle's functionality. By addressing these concerns before making purchase, you can avoid unexpected repair costs down the line. Additionally, a pre-purchase inspection can help uncover any maintenance history discrepancy of potential odometer fraud. It ensures that you have an accurate understanding of the car's mileage and service record, giving you a clearer picture of its overall condition and how well it has been cared for over the years. Moreover, keep in mind that pre-purchase inspection provides you with essential bargaining power. If the inspection reveals any flaw or repairs needed, you can negotiate a fair price with the seller based on the estimated cost of addressing these issues. It empowers you to make an informed decision that aligns with your budget and ensure you get the best value for your money. To conclude, a pre-purchase inspection is a crucial step when buying a used car. It offers a peace of mind, validates the vehicle's safety, and covers potential mechanical issues, verify maintenance and mileage record, and enhance your bargaining power. Remember, investing in a thorough inspection before purchasing a used car is an investment in your own confidence and the reliability of your new ride. Thank you. If you like this our video, please subscribe, share, and follow.